Welcome to Secret Stops, your daily gateway to the most breathtaking destinations around the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we bring you a journey through stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're exploring the beaches of Santorini, Greece, a place where black and red volcanic sands meet the sparkling Aegean Sea, and every sunset feels like a painting come to life. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Santorini's beaches together. Welcome to Santorini, one of the most enchanting islands in the world. Rising from the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea, this volcanic island is a masterpiece of nature and history, where whitewashed houses cling to the cliffs and golden sunsets paint the sky with unforgettable hues. Santorini is more than just a destination. It's an experience. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets of Oia and Fira, the island's charm reveals itself at every corner. Blue domed churches stand proudly against the endless horizon, while bougainvillea cascades down white walls in vibrant bursts of pink and purple. This is the image that has captivated travelers for centuries, a living postcard of Greek beauty. The island's volcanic origins are evident everywhere. The towering cliffs were shaped by one of the most powerful eruptions in history, creating a dramatic caldera that offers breathtaking views from every angle. From cliffside terraces, you can watch fishing boats gliding across the waters below, or simply soak in the serenity of the vast Aegean stretching endlessly into the distance. For those seeking relaxation, Santorini's beaches are unlike any other. The red sand of Red Beach, the black volcanic shores of Perissa and Kamari, and the crystal clear waters of Amudi Bay each offer their own unique beauty. Here, you can swim, sail, or simply lie back and listen to the waves kiss the shore. But Santorini is not only about scenery, it's also a place of taste and tradition. The island is famous for its vineyards, producing crisp, refreshing wines thanks to its volcanic soil. A glass of local Asiatico wine paired with fresh seafood at a seaside taverna makes every meal unforgettable. And of course, no visit is complete without experiencing the magic of a Santorini sunset. As the sun sinks into the horizon, the sky explodes with colors, orange, pink, and purple blending into the deep blue sea. Watching this spectacle from Oia's cliffs or a quiet balcony is a moment that stays with you forever. Santorini is romance, adventure, and timeless beauty wrapped into one. A destination that continues to inspire, amaze, and welcome travelers from every corner of the globe. So let your journey bring you here, to the heart of the Aegean, where dreams are painted in white and blue, and where every step feels like walking through a legend. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Santorini. We hope it inspired your next adventure and gave you a glimpse of the beauty our world has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily travels. Where should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Your dream destination might be in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next journey.